The current and the EMF in alternating circuit is not constant. It keeps on changing periodically. So here we use different type of currents, not type of current. First, E naught, correspondingly I naught. E naught is the maximum value of alternating EMF. So I naught is the maximum value of current, alternating current, obviously alternating current. It is the maximum value of alternating current. EM, it is called mean value of alternating EMF. Then IM called mean value of alternating current. EV V for virtual. ERMS for root mean square, or EFF, effective value of alternating EMF. वर्चुअल वैल्यू और रूट मीन स्क्वायर वैल्यू और इफेक्टिव वैल्यू, एक ही चीज के तीन नाम है. करेक्ट. सिमिलरली IV और IRMS और IEFF, I effective. This is called virtual value of current or root mean square value of current or effective value of current. So there are three type of EMF. Actually not type of EMF, it is the same EMF. Maximum value, mean value and effective value or virtual value or root mean square value. Maximum value, it is one more name given to it. It is the EMF amplitude, EMF amplitude, and this I naught is what? Current amplitude. It is the current amplitude because the current rises to its maximum value. This graph is just like the graph of simple harmonic motion, displacement versus time, and on the acceleration versus time. The displacement increases from 0 to its maximum value A. A is the amplitude. So this is called, this I naught is called the amplitude, current amplitude. Similarly, the E naught is called EMF amplitude. Okay, these are the mean values, these are the virtual values. If in any question or anything, you are given 220 volt, you are given 10 ampere. So which one are these values? Are they E naught, I naught, EM, IM, or EV or IV? If nothing is stated, these are by default virtual value or RMS value or effective value. This is virtual current or IRMS current or effective current. If nothing is given, you get 220 volt at your home. This is the effective value of alternating EMF. This is the virtual value of alternating EMF, root mean square value. It is not maximum value, it is not the amplitude, EMF amplitude, it is not the mean value. So we will work with three values. These are not type of EMF, type of current. These are the three different values of EMF or current. Maximum value called EMF amplitude, maximum value of current called current amplitude. Mean value of EMF EM, mean value of current IM, and these are the effective value. These are the most effective. That's why they are called effective. These are the real values with which we have to deal. जो सारे काम होते हैं वो सब इसी से चलते हैं. So first we are going to find mean value of alternating current in terms of peak value of alternating current. We will find mean value of alternating current in terms of peak value. Then we will find effective value, virtual value of current in terms of peak value. Then all the three can be correlated with each other. Right? The most convenient way is to represent mean value or effective value in terms of peak value. Is it clear?